Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up a Tomcat server with a single command. And for that, you need to have Docker set up in your host machine. And this script is going to be worked for any machine in which Docker is running. So let me show you the code first. So this is the automated script I have written for you guys, and simply you have to define your desired parameters like the password which you want to set for the manager GUI or manager script or host manager. So I've defined mine parameter or credentials with regard to the following requirements, so you can use your. So what I'm gonna show you ways um, where you can set up. First of all, I'm going to show you guys AWS where we are going to provision EC2 instance, and I'm going to run this script. First of all, I need to have Docker set up. So everything with regard to this script is really productive in a way that and really for production use because I've set up and tested this script in my labs, and my scripts are automated and tested, so you guys able to set up everything quickly. So what I'm doing currently that I'm launching an EC2 instance, and I'm gonna install first Docker on this and show you guys how you can set up this or run this script. So I'm gonna allow all traffic for this demo, but from my IP. So simply I'm going to allow. First I'm going to launch EC2 instance, and then I'm gonna show you the scripts. This pretty automated script, and in next video I'm going to show you how you can set up CI/CD with Jenkins and Tomcat. So I'm going to download this keep here and launch an EC2 instance. So let's bring this keep here on desktop. I'm going to cut paste this and paste it here. So guys, this part is done. On the other tab, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you that this script is not limited to AWS. If you are running Docker on any server, excuse me, on any server or local machine, you can easily set up. So this is my Docker Hub repository. So what I'm gonna do is to go for play with Docker. Instead of setting up Docker locally, I'm going to show you this website as well, so you can test your code as well. So I'm going to run this script here. So simply it's free, totally free lab where you can learn, play with Docker. Simply I'm going to log in with my ID, which is also free, it's open source, and simply I'm going to log in. It is going to show you two option, GitHub and Docker. So I've already set up to log in with the Docker ID, so that's why it's not shown me the GitHub. So you can use both. So I'm going to create one instance here, and what I'm gonna do I'm gonna simply copy the script just to wanna show you guys that the code is not limited to one cloud or any specific instance or host. So first of all, I'm going to add nano editor apk add nano. So nano is there, so I'm gonna call this script tomcat.shell. So simply copy this script here and press Ctrl X, press Y to yes. So this script is currently not executable. Do chmod plus X Tomcat, and if you see the color is changed, So simply I'm going to run the script here. So this script will download the relevant Tomcat version. You can change the version if you like. I'm going the Tomcat version 8.0. So this script is tested on this version, so that's why I've chosen this. So you can try different version as well, and you can comment with regard to that version. So it is going to run on this particular uh, port. So everything is ready, and let me show you. Just let it update the packages. And if I do Docker ps hyphen a, and it is going to be this. And if I do ls, so everything, sorry, ls. So everything is going to be persistent in the volumes which I'm creating. This is the network I'm creating. The DevOps is going to be the network, and these are the persistent volume. Docker volume create Tomcat DevOps, in which the data which relevant to the Tomcat is going to be stored. And Tomcat DevOps Web Apps is the data persistency which is going to be for your web apps. In the next video or my later videos, I will show you when you do the CI/CD or I mean, you mount your web apps, your data is not going to be lost even if you reboot your host machine or your container restarted. So everything is going to be persistent. So that's why we do persistent volumes. So this video is related for the setup of Tomcat server with a one command. So that's why I do make my videos automate. So you like my videos and share it. So this is going to be, you see our Tomcat is up and running. So this is how easy you can set up this. Let me log in, first log into this manager app. So it is going to ask me about the password, and the manager GUI is the Tomcat, and the relevant password is this. Let me test the password Tomcat CBA and this. So guys, see this how easy it is to set up by using my script. So everything is automated and tested. So let me go back and show you. We are, you see, if you see the above URL, I'm using the play with Docker. So also let me bookmark this as well. So I'm gonna few for Docker related videos. I'm going to show you on this as well. So guys, and now I'm going to log in into the host manager. So it is going to ask me for the password as well. So if you see the manager password for the host manager is this paradise, and the password is Islam. So paradise as password is Islam. So guys, you see I'm able to log into every um, tab relevant to this. So you can see the server status as well. So this is the IP. Anyway, this is the one which I showed you with the Docker Hub. We are almost ready for our demo relevant to Tomcat. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this IP address, and I'm going to take a SSH session into this particular EC2 instance. If I do CD into desktop, okay, do SSH, sorry, desktop. SSH-I, and Tomcat is the PEM file I'm going to use. EC2 dash user is the Amazon Linux, which I like it so much because it is very user friendly. I like Ubuntu 18 as well. So these two distros are my favorite ones. CentOS is also pretty good, but I like to use. Number one is the Amazon Linux, and um, Ubuntu is the second. So anyway, I like this one. I mean, you simply do yum install -y docker, and these guys on AWS make it really simple for you guys to set up everything, and the rest of the setting as far as the automation is concerned, I'm providing you guys. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel as much as you can. The other thing you can do systemctl start docker. Let me also tell you that I've set up this on Docker Hub. By default, Docker is available, and Docker version, you see Docker version on this is, uh, you see, these are the version we are having on this Docker engine and Docker Play with Docker Hub. So as we are using Tomcat, we are going to use Tomcat on Docker. So I have to set up first Docker, and I'm going to enable the Docker. So enable Docker. So make sure it is available. So guys, what I'm doing, I'm also, let me show you the Docker run command. You can use Docker Compose, but for the simplicity, I'm providing you the Docker run command. I mean, if you want to use multiple, you can use multiple Docker Tomcat server with on different ports as well. I mean, so with persistent volume. So currently, what I'm doing that uh, it is even you if you reboot your server, it is going your Docker container will be available if the server reboots. So for that, I'm using this dash restart unless stopped command. So if your instance is rebooted, don't worry. It is just like enabling the command, like you do in systemd, or if you do use system B, init B system, where we do uh, start the server. So let me show you that. Okay, the one what I'm talking about. Okay, do ls. So currently, what we have to do is to copy the script here, and the script is going to be tomcat.shell. Okay. So this script is available. I'm gonna call this chmod plus x, make it executable. Okay, I'm going to run the script because Docker is running. So it is definitely gonna first download the Tomcat image locally, and it is gonna run the command, and we will be able to access, inshallah, this Tomcat server from this source. And I'm going to copy this IP address. I'm going to copy this here. So in a few moments you will see Tomcat is going to be available. So you see this Tomcat is available. So similarly, I'm going to use this host manager. It is going to ask for the password, and I'm going to use the same password, which is for the GUI admin, paradise, and Islam as the password. So guys, you see we are able to log in into the relevant. If I go to the manager app, so definitely it's going to ask me for the password, and the manager app I'm giving here the user and their roles. So for the manager app or the manager GUI, you can use this admin or saklanmushtaq.com.pk, which has different roles. If let me show you the roles as well. Okay, So this has manager GUI and manager script. So let me try this. So guys, you see, I'm able to successfully log in into my machine to the relevant tabs. So everything is working fine. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Later on, I'm gonna show you the automated CI/CD, automated deployment. Is you set up this Tomcat server with almost just one single command. Simply, you have to define your desired parameters here, and everything is going to be set up for you guys automatically and in a persistent way. As far as the network is concerned, you can change your names, you can do modification with regard to these parameters, but this is the way you can set up this automation, and hopefully you will be able to set up this in your production and dev environment. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.